Linear regression is a statistical technique used to explore the relationship between two variables by finding a line of best fit. The goal of linear regression is to identify the straight line that passes through the data points and minimizes the distance between the line and the data points. To use linear regression, we need a dataset with two variables, x and y. The first step is to plot the data points on a graph with x on the horizontal axis and y on the vertical axis. We can then find the line of best fit, which is represented by the equation I equals x plus b, where y is the dependent variable, x is the independent variable, and is the slope of the line, and b is the I-intercept. The process of finding a line of best fit involves minimizing the sum of squared errors, SSE, which measures the distance between the data points and the line. One common method for finding the line of best fit is ordinary least squares, which determines the values of m and b that make the SSE as small as possible. Linear regression can be used to make predictions about future trends, analyze the effects of different variables on an outcome, and test hypotheses about the relationship between two variables. However, it assumes a linear relationship between the two variables and that the relationship is causal, meaning that changes in the independent variable cause changes in the dependent variable. Linear regression is commonly used in various fields such as finance, economics, and social sciences. Nonetheless, it is crucial to consider the assumptions and limitations of linear regression when using it in practice. If there is a nonlinear relationship between the two variables, linear regression may not be the best method to use. Furthermore, if the relationship between the variables is not causal, linear regression may not be suitable. Hey there, fellow number crunchers. Did our time linear regression lesson leave you feeling like a pro, or are you still rolling the dice with your stats education? Don't leave it up to chance. Hit that subscribe button and join our community of statisticians in training. And hey, while you're at it, give that thumbs up button a little love. Think of it like playing a game of probability. The more likes we have, the better our odds of success.